No, because they got the cross strips on each.
Well, I'm gonna quit. You know what happened to that?
Okay, what do you want me to do? Anything yet?
Probably send up the bucket, we'll put the nails in. And then when we send you a board down, maybe you could take the nails out. Here's a nail. And this one here?
What you're looking at now are 5 different size nails that we, square nails that were hand forged by blacksmith that we took out of the outhouse. The one on the right, the very small nail, was used for the cedar shakes originally, and the large one on the left was used for the corners. And we've used most of these in our reconstruction of the outhouse.
I can't. All right. Oh, yeah, that's good.
Love it when a plan comes together. The ice house that you see on my right side was built in about 1880. And most of this information comes from Nancy Rushmore Hooper, who as a small child lived here and is now 83 years of age and has had numerous summers of use in the outhouse. Originally it was a few yards to the east, and that was because during the period of time that it was used as a resort, they did not want it close to the dining room window, so they moved it back towards its present location.
Now, don't you think we could just put a come along off of those 2 eye bolts?
Well, you know, we got an advantage with you braced against the tree. Because, no.
That's pretty funny.
Where was the brace?
Underneath the lip. The brace isn't actually
Oh, it was.
We have photographic evidence that the outhouse was moved to its present location in the early 1960s and put on this cement slab. The 2 photos show the house being moved by a tractor dragging it over to its current location, and that was probably to preserve it and to keep it as stable as possible.
We got a problem right down there.
This is the end of today's workday. Tuesday, August 26th.
I'm currently standing in the depression where the original where the original outhouse sat. And Nancy tells the story about them coming through the original kitchen, into the summer kitchen, into the carriage shed, and out this door, and then into the outhouse. And that was to protect them from weather and snow and rain and what have you. We speculate, and Nancy also tells that from her grandmother, Minnie Rushmore, that the Dougherty outhouse was further up by the back door. And then as it became a resort, they moved it where the depression is that you've seen, and it stayed there until Virginia Larson, when she purchased the home in 1960, had it moved back and placed on this cement slab.
Yeah, those come along by engineering now. You can get your fingers caught.
You were having more trouble with this one over here. Over here, one in the corner? Well, the problem's up here. That's what he used yesterday.
You need to come along, you'll be able to move these things back and forth across this thing.
Okay, and then, like you say, if we need to scoot it, I think we can scoot it. So, let's go roughly right there.
All right. You got it. We're doing it.
We're not worried about it.
Okay. I might need a 2x4 in here to push it away from it.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, see what happens.
You're lifting. Now we got to crank on the back a little bit.
Take it, let me get some height, over there. I'm wedged over here, right on the bottom. Hang on, we gotta move our ladders too. We gotta go up and get insurance on it.
Marty, you want the other side lifted?
Yeah,
Hang on.
I'm just scooting this back over a little bit.
This side go up?
Cut it? God, I love it when a plan comes together.
Okay, Bill, do you want to just stay up there and do that? Come along, right?
Yeah, see, you're
Right there, you're free over there. I'm free over here.
What you doing, Bill?
I think we're up.
We're airborne.
Are we airborne? No, not.
Get out of the tube.
Looks like.
Can't slide.
Well, this corner here is right on. So it's your corner come back a little bit more on your corner.
I know I gotta go more.
A little bit more.
I'm just getting more muscle in it.
Yeah, that's,
It's moving, it's moving, it's moving. Hey Jim, it's moving easy.
mine's moving too.
Okay.
Now it's moving.
Okay, now hold it. We're hitting on the roof right there now.
Well, we're down here in the back too, the wood down in the back, we got one on against the brace.
Yeah.
I think we gotta just take a break and we'll look at this thing real close now.
Okay.
You wanna do it just a little more?
Huh?
Yeah, you get a little bit more.
That's what I thought.
Not much more. You're almost up to.
May have to wait till they get that bottom piece. Because they're not.
Cause like, look at, like when we put this up here yesterday, it slipped up and down. Cause look where that board line is. I mean, this one is way down and this one is way
So now
up.
you're gonna cut each board
Yeah.
Maybe if we measure down from the paint line on this board and the paint line on that second to the end board.
End board there, measure down, end board there, measure down, then draw one.
I don't know if the end board's the right one to fit.
These end boards look, this end board looks pretty good.
No,
You know, measure down from there.
Yeah, once we pick up a line. But
Yeah.
Marty, I think we'd be better off doing, because we want to replace that top plate, remember? That's all rock.
Yeah, I may not use that line, but I think it's a good estimate up there.
Yeah, gotta be nice.
What are you guys doing now?
We got the board on backwards.
You got enough?
Yeah. Got more than enough? Yeah.
trying to do is save one of those better
At
boards.
9 and 5/8.
That's where he gets the big money, Marty.
That's, Marty gets the big money today.
No, we're just hand it down off the football footer. Okay. I got it.
You got the right side in and right side out?
Yep.
Oh, man.
Oh, baby. That is beautiful.
Can you
ain't
give
it?
me a little bit, or you need it all?
A little bit.
Okay, no, that's all right.
Marty, how does Anita like their beard?
Would you like that?
She doesn't have a boat.
Yeah, that's fine. Now you need, do we need to square this up somehow?
No, I'm going right to here.
Well, then I gotta go to there. It's a little harder for me to get on it. 23. What were you at, 22 3/4? What are you at?
22 and a half.
Yeah, I just like these. They're easy to cut, easy to nail. Okay.
Where we're gonna be. Here's my mark here. I'm over 1 inch.
Fire. I'm getting better.
Now,
After I moved the ladder, I decided to.
Well, we got that end closed up. Begin to look like an outhouse.
Wet wood.
throw it to him. Why not?
Be really careful, Butch. Jesus.
I'm not gonna go. I'm gonna go back down there where I can reach.
Okay, Butch, be careful coming down.
Ah, no problem.
If you start to fall, I'm gonna push Marty under you.
There, that made that a lot easier.
Yeah.
There you go.
See, there it is. There it is.
Okay.
Gotta have
Yeah, I probably should get one of those.
Not gonna do it?
Just a hair smaller than that.
This one's got a little smaller. There you go, right there.
Marty's the one with all the hair. Gosh.
Something like this way.
They're all butts. These are all butts.
They should all be close to the same. about your right-hand side?
I'm worried that you guys are getting a little too exact there.
This side.
It's gotta go, we're about a quarter, eighth inch over down this side.
Okay. That's where it's gotta go, right there. Push it in as tight as we can push it in, that's where it's gonna be.
Now, if we could put a clamp on that.
I was gonna say, as easy as that went in, it should come out pretty easy.
Yeah. I'll get you. Is that the size you need? Yeah, I'll get you two more.
See,